Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be doing a full face of sample makeup. Everything I'm wearing on my face comes from little samples like this, and if you want to see how I got this look and what samples I used, then please keep watching. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a full face of samples. I want to see if I can get an entire face done with just the samples, like these little paper samples, because you know when you order off of Sephora or wherever, they love to just send you all the samples in the world, and I have a giant collection of them. Let's get started. The first thing I'm going to try out, this is from the brand Real Chemistry. It's an environmental rescue essential day cream. I love stuff that has environmental properties and pollution protection because I do live in a city and I feel like pollution is just having a toll on my skin. Let's try this out. So it's like a thick cream. It smells fresh. Hopefully this doesn't break me out or anything. Feels really nice and like thick. That was really nice. That little tiny dollop that I put just was enough for my entire face. I have two primer samples. This is the Makeup Forever Step 1 Hydrating Primer, and I also have the Milk Makeup Blur Stick. Isn't this so cute? I'm going to open up the Makeup Forever Hydrating Primer first. I haven't tried this before, so I'm really excited to give this a go, especially because my skin is really dry. Feels nice. I feel like it could be more moisturizing. It's like a moisturizing, smoothing primer. Like it has that silicone-y feel to it. All right, and next I'm just going to blur out my pores with this Milk Blur Stick. All right, this looks like it's doing a pretty nice job with minimizing everything. Also have this Clinique. It's a universal bronzing gel. So I think I'm just going to use this to kind of bronze under the foundation. Oh. That's interesting. This really goes a long way. But it really did just put like a nice bronze. I'm gonna add a little bit on my temples. I think I used a little bit too much. Just need like a little dot. Yeah, that's nice. So now for foundation, I have this Giorgio Armani Power Fabric Longwear Foundation with an SPF of 25. Oh, and before I get into this, I have a tiny beauty blender. This is the Pro one, and I did already dampen it. Oh, it looks like the perfect color. I always struggle with finding a foundation because I have a horrific undertone, but this looks perfect. I don't know how much I should put on, just kind of guessing, and the texture feels really nice. Hopefully this doesn't dry fast. Just gonna start blending away. It's not fully covering my imperfections, but it is going a long way. Just gonna build it up a little. And I'm going to put a little bit more of this bronzer on, just like a little dot. Because this foundation really just covered it up. Ooh, but it is lifting up the foundation on my nose. This has lifted up the foundation, so I'm just gonna reapply. This little beauty blender is really nice for just spot concealing. These multi-sticks from Bite, and it comes with 3 colors. This one is the shade Papaya, this is Biscotti, and this is Cashew. I'm going to go into Papaya, and I'm just gonna go right onto the cheek. I have not tried any of the Bite multi-sticks before, but I love Bite, so oh my god, this is amazing. That's just so natural, like a nice natural flush. That's perfect. I love it. I'm gonna try the Cashew shade as a bronzer. really like this. I am totally gonna pick up a full size because I just want to be able to draw on my face. Next up is this Yves Saint Laurent touche eclat, and I'm just gonna pick it up on the longer edge and I'm just gonna highlight with it. I've always wanted to try these out, but I haven't. This isn't shimmery, it's just a, looks like a glow more so. It's really nice. I like it. This is the Prismatic multi-stick in the shade Rose Pearl, and I haven't swatched it. Wow, it's like really, really intense pink. I have this teeny tiny little chapstick from Arian. This is their Rose Lip Conditioner. It's just so cute. It's really nice and thick and hydrating, and it smells like roses. So nice. So now for the brows, I just received this little teeny tiny sample and it is so small. Look at how small it is. This is Benefit's Goof Proof Brow Pencil, and I have not ever tried anything from Benefit's eyebrow range. So let's just try this together. Look how small. Oh my goodness. I'm dying on how teeny tiny this thing is. This is in the shade number 3 and it's supposed to stay on my eyebrows for 12 hours. I like how the tip of this is quite long, so it covers a wider area. This is also from Benefit. This is their Gimme Brow. Let's see what the directions say. It says twist and pull. Oh my god, look at this. Look, it's so tiny. I think this might be a little bit dried out. This isn't doing anything for me. It might just be dried out. So I'm just gonna go in with my Dior Bold Brow. So I don't have much for eyes. I'm just gonna kind of improvise with my eyes. And I'm just gonna use the Bite Multi-Sticks as my eyeshadow. I'm gonna take the shade Cashew. I'm focusing the color more on the outer corner and then blending the rest of it into the inner corner. I'm going to use this beautiful prismatic multi-stick. This is such a pretty color. That's so pretty. It's like this subtle shimmer. I have this little itty bitty mascara from Urban Decay. This is the Troublemaker mascara. The bristles on it are very long. This is the Lilah B Natural Powder. It feels super, super soft. Oh my god. It just made my skin look flawless. I have never ever experienced this from a powder. I am just extremely blown away right now. I was not prepared for this at all whatsoever. This powder is amazing. The last sample I have is this matte Liptensity. They have 3 shades right here. This is their Liptensity lipstick. I'm gonna go into the middle one right here. And I love how they include several shades for you to try of the same lip formula. I can't. That way you can at least try one if you don't like any of the others. And that completes today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this and that you can use some of the samples that are in your collection. If you really like this, please give this a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to hang around for some more videos. I post Mondays, Thursdays, and Saturdays at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'd love to have you back here. I'll see you in my next video.